Every night while you sleep, your eyes go through a critical repair window. Your retinal cells regenerate. Your macula replenishes its protective pigment. The tiny blood vessels feeding your photoreceptors flush out waste and deliver fresh nutrients. But here is what nobody tells you. That repair window only works if the right nutrients are already in your bloodstream when your body begins. And most seniors go to bed with almost none of them. Not because they eat badly, but because nobody ever told them which specific vegetables to eat specifically for their eyes and when. 3 vegetables contain the exact compounds your eyes need during overnight repair: beta-carotene for your retinal cells, anthocyanins for your retinal blood vessels, and lutein plus zeaxanthin for the macula protecting your central vision. We are saving the most surprising for last, and it is one that most seniors have never eaten specifically for their eyes, even though the research behind it is extraordinary. Let's start. Vegetable number 3. Moringa oleifera, known across Asia and Africa as the miracle tree, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But only in the past 2 decades has modern nutritional science begun to explain why this plant earned that reputation and what it specifically does for aging eyes. Beta-carotene, the retinal cell fuel. Moringa leaves contain one of the highest concentrations of beta-carotene found in any plant food, significantly higher per gram than carrots, which most people consider the gold standard for eye-supporting nutrition. Here is why beta-carotene matters so specifically for seniors. Your retinal cells, the photoreceptors that convert light into the visual signals your brain reads as images, require a continuous supply of vitamin A to maintain their structural integrity and function. Your body converts dietary beta-carotene into vitamin A through an on-demand process that produces exactly the amount needed without the toxicity risk associated with pre-formed vitamin A supplements. After 60, even mild vitamin A insufficiency produces recognizable consequences. Night vision becomes less reliable. Eyes take longer to adjust when moving from bright to dim environments. Eye dryness increases. And the maintenance of photoreceptor cell membranes, the fatty outer layers that determine how efficiently light is converted into visual signals, becomes progressively less efficient. Moringa's beta-carotene directly addresses this by providing a concentrated, plant-based source of the precursor vitamin A that retinal cells need for their most fundamental functions. Lutein and zeaxanthin, the macula's building blocks. Beyond beta-carotene, Moringa leaves contain meaningful amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, the 2 carotenoids that accumulate specifically in the macula, the pencil eraser-sized region at the center of your retina responsible for all sharp central vision. These compounds form the macular pigment, functioning like an internal optical filter that absorbs high-energy blue light before it reaches the most sensitive photoreceptor cells in your eye. Research has consistently found that higher macular pigment density correlates with significantly lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of irreversible vision loss in adults over 50. And because your body cannot produce lutein or zeaxanthin independently, every unit of macular pigment protecting your central vision must come from food. Moringa provides both compounds alongside the fat content needed to begin absorbing them: vitamin C, E, and circulation support. Moringa is also rich in vitamin C, supporting the antioxidant defense systems inside your lens, and vitamin E, which protects the fatty membranes of photoreceptor cells from oxidative degradation. It also contains quercetin and natural compounds that support healthy microvascular circulation, since the retina depends on some of the most delicate blood vessels in your body to deliver oxygen and nutrients to photoreceptor cells. Healthy retinal circulation is as important as the nutrients themselves. This is where most people make a costly mistake. Boiling water destroys a significant proportion of Moringa's heat-sensitive compounds, including vitamin C and some of its delicate antioxidants. Instead, stir 1 teaspoon of high-quality dried Moringa leaf powder into warm milk or warm, unsweetened plant-based milk. Not boiling, just warm. Add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. The piperine in black pepper improves absorption of fat-soluble carotenoids, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. The fat in the milk further improves absorption of these fat-soluble compounds, delivering them to your bloodstream in a form your body can direct to the retina during the overnight repair window. Consume this 30 to 60 minutes before bed, So the nutrients are entering your bloodstream precisely as your body's nighttime repair processes begin. Choose a high-quality, dried Moringa leaf powder rather than fresh leaves, which spoil quickly. Store in a cool, dark location and use within 3 months of opening for maximum potency. Next, a tiny vegetable that most seniors have never considered for their eyes, but that contains retinal antioxidants researchers are studying with growing excitement. Harvested just 7 to 10 days after sprouting. Before the plant has grown into the familiar large vegetable head most people recognize in grocery stores. And here is what makes them extraordinary for aging eyes. Research consistently shows that these young seedlings contain significantly higher concentrations of certain nutrients than their fully mature counterparts. Because in the seedling stage, the plant concentrates its entire nutritional reserve into a compact package designed to support rapid growth. That same dense nutritional package, consumed by humans, delivers a concentrated dose of eye-protecting compounds that mature cabbage cannot match gram for gram. The deep purple color of these microgreens comes from anthocyanins, a specific class of flavonoid antioxidant that has drawn growing scientific attention for its documented affinity for ocular tissue. Here is the specific mechanism. Your retina is supplied by some of the most delicate microvessels in your entire body. These tiny capillaries carry oxygen and nutrients to photoreceptor cells and remove the metabolic waste that accumulates during constant visual activity. When these microvessels are damaged by inflammation, oxidative stress, elevated blood sugar, or the cumulative effects of aging, the retina is progressively starved of the resources it needs to function and repair. Anthocyanins have been studied specifically for their ability to stabilize the structural proteins in capillary walls, reducing their permeability, decreasing inflammatory damage, and improving the consistency of blood flow through retinal microvasculature. Early research suggests that anthocyanins may reach ocular tissue after digestion, where they may help support the integrity of the blood vessels most critical to visual function. Beyond their microvascular effects, anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that reduce the oxidative stress accumulating in retinal tissue during the constant metabolic activity of visual processing. Every hour your eyes are open and processing light, they generate oxidative byproducts. Anthocyanins help neutralize these byproducts before they cause the cellular damage that accumulates into macular degeneration, lens clouding, and photoreceptor deterioration. Unlike most vegetables where light cooking improves nutrient bioavailability, purple cabbage microgreens should be eaten raw. Heat breaks down anthocyanins, the same compounds responsible for their distinctive purple color and their most important eye protective effects. Cooked purple cabbage microgreens lose a significant proportion of their anthocyanin content, reducing the primary eye health benefit that makes them worth eating in the first place. Purple cabbage microgreens are exceptionally easy and inexpensive to grow at home, requiring nothing more than a shallow tray, quality seeds, water, and a bright windowsill. Seeds are widely available online and at garden centers. Plant in shallow potting mix. Water lightly once or twice daily, and harvest with scissors just above soil level after 7 to 10 days when the first true leaves appear. The entire process requires less than 5 minutes of attention per day and produces a continuous supply of fresh microgreens for pennies per serving. For seniors who prefer not to grow their own, pre-grown microgreens are increasingly available at farmers markets and specialty grocery stores. Sprinkle a generous handful over a salad, eggs, whole grain toast, or soup just before serving, adding them after cooking to preserve their anthocyanin content. Finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. The fat in the olive oil significantly improves absorption of the beta-carotene and other fat-soluble compounds in the microgreens, amplifying the eye health benefit of everything in the dish. Eat purple cabbage microgreens at dinner or as an evening snack, so the anthocyanins are available in your circulation during the retinal repair and regeneration that occurs during sleep. And now, the most powerful combination on this list. 2 vegetables that research has found work together synergistically to protect the macula, the lens, and the retinal blood vessels simultaneously. That we are placing these 2 vegetables together at number 1 because their nutritional profiles are complementary in a way that makes them dramatically more effective for eye health eaten together than either one consumed alone. Kale, is one of the most concentrated natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin available in any commonly eaten vegetable. A single cup of raw kale provides several milligrams of lutein, a substantial contribution toward the 6 milligrams per day that researchers consider a meaningful protective target for macular health. As discussed with Moringa, lutein and zeaxanthin are the building blocks of macular pigment, the protective filter that shields your most sensitive photoreceptors from blue light damage and oxidative stress. And because your body cannot synthesize these compounds, every unit of macular pigment must come from the food you eat. Most seniors are consuming dramatically less lutein than the protective target, and that gap, accumulating over years, is one of the most significant and most correctable nutritional risk factors for age-related macular degeneration. Kale also provides vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, supporting the overall cellular health and vascular integrity that retinal function depends on. Red bell pepper, the vitamin C champion. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C per serving than most citrus fruits, making them one of the most potent whole food vitamin C sources available at any grocery store. And vitamin C's role in eye health is specific and well documented. The lens of your eye, the structure that focuses incoming light onto the retina, contains one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C of any tissue in the human body. It uses this vitamin C to defend its proteins against the oxidative damage that, accumulating over decades, leads to the protein cross-linking that causes cataracts. Major eye disease studies have identified vitamin C intake as one of the dietary factors most strongly associated with reduced cataract progression risk. Red bell peppers also provide beta-carotene in their own right, alongside bioflavonoids that work synergistically with vitamin C to strengthen the capillary walls feeding the retina and improve vitamin C's effectiveness as an antioxidant within ocular tissue. Here is the synergy that makes this combination particularly powerful. Kale's lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble. They require dietary fat to be absorbed from the digestive tract. Eating kale with a fat-free dressing produces minimal lutein absorption. Red bell pepper contains compounds that improve the bioavailability of co-consumed carotenoids, and when both are eaten together with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, the combination produces substantially better lutein absorption than kale alone. The vitamin C from red bell pepper also regenerates other antioxidants that have been depleted, neutralizing free radicals, effectively recharging the eye's antioxidant defense system after each episode of oxidative stress. This makes the combined meal more than the sum of its parts. The preparation principles. Red bell pepper. Eat raw or lightly roasted. Vitamin C is heat-sensitive and degrades significantly with prolonged cooking. Raw red bell pepper strips retain full vitamin C content and can be eaten as part of an evening meal or as a snack. Kale. A brief steam or light sauté for 2 to 3 minutes improves digestibility without significantly reducing lutein content. Massaging raw kale with a small amount of olive oil for 1 to 2 minutes also improves its digestibility and simultaneously adds the fat needed for optimal lutein absorption. The complete evening side dish. Lightly sauté 1 cup of kale in extra virgin olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat. Add half a cup of raw red bell pepper strips, added after cooking to preserve their vitamin C. Toss together. Season with a squeeze of fresh lemon and a pinch of black pepper. The lemon provides additional vitamin C. The black pepper's piperine improves carotenoid absorption, and the olive oil ensures that the fat-soluble lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene are delivered to your bloodstream efficiently rather than passing through unabsorbed. Eat this as your evening side dish at dinner, so the lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C are in your circulation as your body begins its overnight retinal maintenance and macular pigment replenishment cycle. Here is exactly how to bring all 3 vegetables together into a simple, consistent evening routine. With dinner, kale and red bell pepper side dish. Lightly sautéed kale and raw red bell pepper strips, dressed with olive oil, lemon, and black pepper. This delivers lutein, zeaxanthin, and concentrated vitamin C into your bloodstream during the evening hours when your body is transitioning toward overnight repair. After dinner or 30 to 60 minutes before bed, 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder stirred into warm milk with a pinch of black pepper. This delivers beta-carotene, additional lutein and zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and vitamin E, arriving in your bloodstream precisely as your body's overnight retinal repair processes begin. 2 to 3 times per week at dinner. Sprinkle a generous handful of raw purple cabbage microgreens over your meal, added after cooking to preserve anthocyanins. The anthocyanins support retinal microvascular health overnight, while the other nutrients support tissue repair and pigment replenishment. That is the complete program. 3 vegetables. 1 simple evening routine. Consistent application over weeks and months. Because nutritional eye protection is cumulative, not immediate. There you have it. 3 vegetables, each targeting a different and specific dimension of overnight eye repair and long-term visual protection. Moringa delivers beta-carotene for retinal cell maintenance, lutein and zeaxanthin for macular pigment, and circulatory support for retinal blood vessel health, all enhanced by warm milk and black pepper. Purple cabbage microgreens provide concentrated anthocyanins that protect the delicate microvessels feeding your photoreceptors from the inflammatory and oxidative damage that accumulates nightly. And kale combined with red bell pepper delivers the highest bioavailable lutein alongside concentrated vitamin C, working together. Moringa delivers beta-carotene for retinal cell maintenance, lutein and zeaxanthin for macular pigment, and circulatory support for retinal blood vessel health, all enhanced by warm milk and black pepper. Purple cabbage microgreens provide concentrated anthocyanins that protect the delicate microvessels feeding your photoreceptors from the inflammatory and oxidative damage that accumulates nightly. And kale combined with red bell pepper delivers the highest bioavailable lutein alongside concentrated vitamin C, working together synergistically to replenish macular pigment and defend lens proteins simultaneously. You do not need to overhaul your diet. You need to add one of these to tonight's dinner and build the routine gradually from there. Start with the kale and red bell pepper side dish, widely available, inexpensive, and immediately impactful for both lutein delivery and vitamin C protection. These vegetables support your eye health. They do not replace regular eye examinations, and they do not reverse advanced eye disease. But for the significant majority of adults over 60 whose eyes still have healthy function worth protecting, consistent nutritional support is one of the most practical, most evidence-based, and most overlooked tools available. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone over 60 who cares about their vision, and subscribe to Vital Health for more science-based senior health content every week. Drop your country in the comments. Which of these 3 vegetables will you add to dinner tonight? We read every single one. We will see you in the next one. Blue Heart.